Are you an electrician or automotive technician looking for the best tool to crimp connectors? This Preciva hand crimping toolkit could be a perfect choice. Hello and welcome to Plasman, your home for everything you need to know about pliers. In this video, I'll review the Preciva PR-30J crimping pliers kit right after this break. The kit comes in two separate pieces. You have a lockable box of crimp terminals of different styles and sizes and the crimping tool itself. Both are packed nicely in one box, as you can see. You also get a user manual with the kit that explains how to set and crimp connectors and how to unlock the lever when it jams. The plastic box contains a total of 350 crimp connectors, which are classified into 5 common styles, namely spade connectors, both male and female, fork connectors, butt splice connectors, and ring connectors. The connectors are color coded for ease of use. Also, each type of the terminal connectors has different sizes, as you can see on the cover of the carry box. The crimping dies on the crimper are also color coded to make it easy to put the terminal connector in the right slot and crimp it as quickly and as easily as possible. As I mentioned, the crimping tool has a ratcheting mechanism that lets you apply pressure progressively until the terminal is securely in place. There is also a pressure adjustment dial on the side that allows you to adjust the compression force on the jaws. Unfortunately, the dial does not turn as easily as the manual says. I had to open and close the handles severally as I turned the knob, as you can see. One thing I like about the Preciva PR-30J crimping pliers is that the jaws are removable. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and some hand strength. But I can bet you will not need to replace them because they are heavy duty and very solid. So enough said, let us put this tool to test now. I'll start by crimping a 14 gauge wire with a spade connector. And if you'd like to learn how to crimp insulated terminal connectors step by step, please check out the video I've linked above. But when crimping insulated terminals, it is important to keep in mind two essential points. Firstly, strip off the wire insulation only up to the length of the narrow part of the barrel. Secondly, place the connector in the right direction and position. Ensure the metal barrel inside the plastic sleeve sits on the stepped part of the jaw. This will ensure your terminal is snug and won't come off when you do the pull test. So this is what happens when you don't position the crimp connector correctly. The crimp wire terminal connector does not grip the wire family and fails the pull test as a result. Overall, I'm impressed with how this crimper works. It is heavy duty and makes very solid and neat crimps. And wholesomely, the kit offers excellent value for money, providing enough terminal connectors to prevent the need for last-minute trips to the store during a project. This Preciva wire terminals crimping toolkit is a perfect choice for household electrical maintenance, panel wiring, auto repair, and machinery wiring. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please smash the like button and share it within your circles. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, now is a perfect time. Trust me, you'll learn so much about pliers than you ever did. Until the next time, take care and goodbye for now.